So yeah, I'm going to show you the slime. So I'm going to show you what I made. And this slime. I made this. It's really sticky. I bought some slime, our slime, and it was their case. So that's what you do this. So yeah. Now I'm showing you what I bought from the shops myself. This. So that's the slime. Done. And as you can see, girls, my sister's one again. I'm just gonna wash my hands, guys. So bye. So yeah, now the squishes. So first, I bought this one from Asda, and this is the pepperoni pizza one. And this is really good. You know why? Because it's slow rising, and I like pepperoni pizza. So yeah, so this is the first question. So here are how squishes. So yeah, that's the first one. I got more, but and Kira took them to someone's house, her friend's house. So yeah, I got 6 here now. Here I got from what is it again? Oh, I forgot. It's like what I've got food and drinks and like bread and stuff in, and squishies and fidget spinners and everything like microphone, headphones. So yeah, I've got this there, and there's a squirrel one, and it's got nuts. It's got nuts in it. And this one is called pepperoni silliness. I'm joking. This one is pepperoni P. This is squirrel. This is squirrel nut. So this is how I squished it. Yeah. Now this one I got from London. So yeah. And this one is called Strawberry Cake Fluffy. And this one, I forgot where I got this. It was my first ever squishy. Did I do? If I don't know, I'm just going to tell my mum. Yeah, I'm just going to go tell my mum, but right, stay here. I remember now. I got it from Christmas. My nan got it. So yeah. And this one is called Cheesy Burger. And this one is the same shop as the Scribble one. Got drinks, food, sweeties, bread, lots of stuff. And fidget spinners, magazines, lots of things. So I got this football one. I'm gonna do Kitty up to it. I was playing like 15. I could kill. Oh, I do it like 1 times like 10, and that means I got 10. Oh, I didn't go on the floor yet. So 2 times is 20. Oh, 20. Oh, 2. Really sunny today. And maybe today, after this video, after my sandwich, I'm gonna go outside and practice my train. And this one is called Spotty Football, because it's spotty. And the last one is from Smiggle. It's called Booger, because it looks like it got booger. So yeah. This is how squish, and this is how squish. So I hope you like this video and subscribe. Bye.